Today we are discussing about the 10th class CBSE chemistry in chemical equations and reactions. So what is meant by chemical equation? See children, the method of representing a chemical reaction with the help of symbols and formulae of the substances involved in it is known as a chemical equation. So for example, symbols and formulae. You know very well in the periodic table, we know all the elements are arranged in groups and periods. We know first element hydrogen and second helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, like that. These are the symbols and formulae. For example, you see children here in the blackboard, you can see here sulfuric acid formula H2SO4 and zinc sulfite ZnSO4. What is meant by here chemical equations? The method of representing a chemical reaction with the help of symbols and formulae of the substances involved in it is known as a chemical equation. First of all, to write the chemical equation, first you can prepare the word equation of the given substances. For example, you can see here zinc react with sulfuric acid giving rise to zinc sulfate and hydrogen. Now this is the word equation. You know the formula symbol of the zinc Zn and sulfuric acid formula H2SO4 and giving rise to zinc sulfate formula ZnSO4 plus hydrogen gas means that is H2. So this is the chemical equation. So after that you can see children here in this chemical equation, so left side of the arrow and right side of the arrow you can see these are the reactants and these are the products. Okay, zinc and sulfuric acid are the reactants. The reactants are always on the left side of the arrow, and products. What is meant by reactants? So the substances which combine or react are known as reactants. Okay, so both the reactants on the, you can see on the left side of the arrow and in the left side of this arrow and a plus sign with the help of a plus sign between these zinc and sulfuric acid. On the other hand, you can see in the right hand side ZnSO4 and H2, these are the products. Okay, what is meant by products? The new substances produced in a reaction are known as products. So here zinc sulfate and hydrogen are the products. The products are always on the right side of the arrow, chemical reaction. So mainly here also they are combined with a plus sign. Okay, mainly reactants are combined with the plus sign and products are also combined with the plus sign, children. So you can see so many examples of the chemical reactions are there. Here you can see in the second example, magnesium react with oxygen. Now this S and G are represent, so magnesium is in a solid state. Okay, you can write S on the subscript of the element and oxygen gas, G means gas. Magnesium react with oxygen giving rise to magnesium oxide. So here these 2 mg plus 2 mgo. So after the balancing, next in further classes, in further videos, we can observe what is balanced and unbalanced chemical equations. Now in other example, you can see hydrogen gas and chlorine gas combine each other to get HCl. Okay, here these H2 and Cl2 both are act like a reactants, and these are the products. So mainly to get the idea about the chemical equations, before to get a good idea about the chemical equations means we know very well symbols and its formulas. You know, in the periodic table, nearly from hydrogen to up to 110 or 112, so many numbers are given. So in 10th standard up to 30 elements, and those who are studying higher studies, we know very well about the elements and its symbols and electronic configuration, and atomic number is also very important, children. We know hydrogen, okay, hydrogen, its atomic number is 1 and mass number is 1, like that. So next you can see here helium, its atomic number 2 and mass number 4. So you can see so many chemical equations and formulas. Okay, are you understood? So mainly before we are discussing about the chemical equations and chemical reactions, here you can see lithium symbol Li, its atomic number 3 and mass number 7. So that is main important to understand. This is the symbol, name of the symbol. This 7 indicate the atomic mass, and this is the atomic number, children, atomic number. So you learnt very well. So here in this lithium, 3 electrons are there and 3 protons are there, and differ to the neutrons number. So atomic number always represented by Z, and atomic mass is represented by A, and neutrons number is represented by N. That's why we get the neutrons number. That means A minus Z. We get the neutrons. So that's why 7 minus 3 equal to 4. So because first you get the idea about the chemical equations, that means we know the symbol of the some elements and their atomic number and mass numbers are also very important, children.